Hello, welcome to the tutorial video for how to make a credit or debit card payment in WVU MyAccount. I've already logged into WVU MyAccount, and if you need any help getting to this point, you can watch our student WVU MyAccount login tutorial. Before we dive in, there are a couple of important things to note. First, please be aware that if you are a parent or guardian wanting to make a payment on your student's account, you will need to make sure you have been given authorized user access by your student before you proceed. Second, if you are making a card payment on your account, there will be a 2.85% service charge with a minimum of $3. Once you have logged into your WVU My account, you will notice a menu across the top of your screen. To make a payment, click on the Make Payment tab. On the following screen, you will either see a screen to input the value you want to pay towards your balance, or you will see a Select Payment Options screen. If you are on the Select Payment Options screen, you can choose to either pay by line item or pay by term. If you choose Pay by Line Item, you will then be prompted to input the amount you would like to pay towards any of the charges that appear on the screen. Simply input the amount or amounts and click Continue. If you select Pay by Term, you will need to input the amount towards the semester you would like to make the payment to. Some may see more than one semester, so be sure to input the amount for the correct term or semester. If you are seeing the payment amount screen, simply enter the amount you wish to pay and click Continue. On the following screen, you will be asked to select the payment method you would like to use. For this tutorial, we are selecting credit card via PayPath. Once you select Continue, you will be taken to a screen to review who the payment is to, the amount of the payment and the term that it applies to, the payment method selected on the previous page, and the email address where the payment confirmation will be received. After you have reviewed the information for accuracy, you can click on the Continue to PayPath button. A new window will appear validating the amount and the student ID number for the account you are making the payment to. You will then need to click on the Continue button again to move on to the next page. Here, there will be information about the service charge of 2.85% associated with making a credit or debit card payment in PayPath. This charge will have a minimum of $3. If that additional fee isn't something you are comfortable with, you can hit Cancel to back out of the payment in this method and view our tutorial video about how to make a payment in your WVU My account with an electronic check, where there will not be a service charge. If you are okay with that fee, you can click the Continue button. You will then be prompted to input all of the required card information for your chosen payment method. Please review the information you have put into the system before selecting Continue. If the billing address associated with your card is outside of the United States, please make sure you select the checkbox next to check if address is outside of the United States. Next, you will see the Review Your Payment Transaction screen. Please review the information on the screen carefully and read the Terms and Conditions section before clicking the checkbox next to I agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have checked that box, you can click on the Submit Payment button to finish your payment.